Yo, what's up guys? Andy here with another episode of Tap Lab, and this is how to save $1 at Starbucks every single visit. Okay, so first things first, you want to download the Cash app. I suggest that you use the first link in the description to download this. If you use that link, I will get $5 and you will also get $5. Completely free, it's just how their referral system works. So go ahead, click that link, download the Cash app, and create an account. Once you create an account, this is what it'll look like. This is sort of the home screen. You can use the Cash app to purchase things and pay your friends. So for the Cash app, you can basically get a Cash card. So this is like a credit card or debit card that is connected to the Cash app. It's completely free to get it. It's not a scam or like a weird credit card that stores offer you or anything like that. It's just the Cash card. It's connected to this balance that you see here on the top of the screen. So basically you're gonna send money from your normal bank or debit card over to the Cash card, and then you use the Cash card to pay for things. So if you don't have the Cash card yet, go ahead, go to the menu here. You're gonna scroll down to this Cash card section, and then you're gonna go through the process to get a card. Basically, you're gonna design your card. They have like a customizer screen, so you can make it look however you want. You can add a signature and stuff like that. And then they're gonna ship you a physical card, and you usually get it within a week or so. So once you have your card, you can use the Boost feature, and this is what's gonna allow you to get discounts. So to use this feature, tap on the amount of money on the top of the screen, and then it's gonna show your card and the Boost that you have right below that. So I have Chipotle selected right now. I have 15% off Chipotle. You can get $1 off at any coffee shop. So this is how you would get $1 off every Starbucks visit. You would select the coffee shop one. You can also get 10% off Taco Bell, 10% Whole Foods, 10% Wendy's, 10% Domino's, 10% Chick-fil-A. And they add new ones and sort of change them sometimes, but the $1 off coffee shop one is always there. So you would tap on this Boost and that would apply it automatically. So right now you can see I have the Chipotle one active. So let's say I have $1,000 in my bank account. I can send that money over to here, and that's gonna add to this balance of $554. So I'll go ahead and add cash. Usually just add like $25 at a time. So $25 added from my bank account to my Cash app. So now I have 30 bucks. Then I use my Cash card to pay for things. So it just does it automatically, guys. It's super easy, you don't have to do anything. You can go to all of your activity over here in this icon on the top right. Like I pretty much only use it at a Chipotle, you guys can see. If I go to this Chipotle transaction, it's gonna give me all of the details. If I tap the three dots in the top right, you can see my order is $7.27. It applied the Boost, and then it just took $6.18 out of my balance on this app. So it's automatically applying that 15% discount. I don't have to do anything. So basically, if you guys want $1 off at Starbucks every time, you just go here, select coffee shops, hit done, and then you're gonna swipe your Cash card, and it's gonna take out of this balance that you see at the top of the screen. And then when your balance gets low, you just send more money over from your bank account. And it's that easy. I've been using this app and this card for a while. It works great. There's no issues. I've saved tons of money. You guys can see how many times I've eaten Chipotle here, just saving tons of money. So I'm saving like over $1 every time that I eat Chipotle. That definitely adds up. Especially if you get coffee every single day at a place like Starbucks, just use the app, you're gonna get $1 off every single time. So that's all I got for this video. I hope you guys found it helpful. Be sure to sign up through the link in the description. You get $5, I get $5, win-win situation. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions, I'll try and answer those. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for daily videos. Drop a like on this video if you enjoyed it, turn on post notifications, all that good stuff. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.